Akahilz, welcome back. Live on CoinMarketCap blog. It says latest news update. Market news article by Connor Sefton says Bitcoin could be worth $1.36 million by 2030. Akahilz says. So guys, you want to be aware of this. If this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share. There's a big red subscribe button. You want to click on it, and also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I drop beneficial uploads. To table of contents, what about BTC sustainability? So a single Bitcoin could be worth $1.36 million by 2030, according to a bullish new report by Akahilz. The ambitious figure is based on a number of assumptions, including BTC being used for 50% of global remittances by the end of the decade. Also, BTC accounting for 25% of US bank settlement volumes, so 1% of the wealth held by nation-state treasuries being allocated to BTC, of 2.55% of institutional assets being allocated to BTC. The S&P 500 companies holding 5% of their cash in BTC, while BTC reaching 50% of gold's total market capitalization. So overall, Akahilz argues that BTC has significant appreciation potential, that its total market cap could scale up by 25x over the next decade. So at the time of report was being prepared, BTC has a market cap of 1.1 trillion, and compared with $10 trillion for gold and $106 trillion for global equities. So Akahilz also points to charts that indicate BTC holders are focused on long-term fundamentals. So with more than 500,000 addresses holding on to the digital asset despite its volatility, so collectively they own 13.5 million BTC, accounting for the vast amount of the 19 million BTC in circulation. So overall, transfer volumes in 2021 increased by 463% to $13.1 trillion. So as a result, the organization says that annual settlement volumes have not surpassed Visa. The ARC points to the successful Taproot upgrade, the continued growth of the Lightning Network, and the arrival of BTC has proved that BTC can continue to scale in response to technological breakthroughs. So looking at BTC sustainability, the report is incredibly enthusiastic about BTC's potential, adding, our research suggests that BTC has the potential to transform monetary history, providing financial freedom and empowerment in a fair, global, and distributed way. And other digital assets like BTC have come under criticism because of their energy-intensive proof-of-work blockchains. Akahilz argues that these concerns seem ill-informed. From an environmental perspective, its analysts say the BTC can actually incentivize more and efficient forms of energy generation and encourage investment in renewables. On a social standpoint, argues that BTC protects the purchasing power of people in countries, strict capital controls, while inflationary cryptocurrencies or capricious governments. And when it comes to governance, the right BTC is open, transparent, auditable, predictable. BTC has no central point of failure, reduces potential human bias error. So led by Katie Wood, Akahilz has repeatedly struck a bullish tone on BTC. I argue that it can reach up to $500,000 by 2025 if institutional investors continue to gain exposure. However, with the exception of MicroStrategy and Tesla, few big names have actually taken the plunge so far. So in response to BTC's recent slump, Wood also declared that the strike against technology's growth and innovation will be temporary. So guys, that's all we have to today's news. Akahilz, stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Peace out.